Hello, this is Mark from Cliff's Vac and Sew. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a series of stitches and store them into your sewing machine's memory. And finally, sew what you have stored into memory on fabric. The Necchi NC 204D sewing machine has two memory slots that you can program with stitches or letters, which is what I'm doing here today. I'm programming Cliffs into one memory slot, and we'll sew that out on fabric. To have the machine memorize the letters, I'm going to press the memory button, then enter 1. That'll select the first memory slot. Enter the stitches one after the other into the machine. Be sure to press the round purple button to get to the alphabet card. For Cliffs, I will enter 012 for C, 021 for L, 018 for I, 015 twice for F, 091 for apostrophe, and 028 for S. I'm ready to sew now. I'm going to hit the bullseye to lock the threads. Then I'm going to make sure memory 1 is selected. Then I'm going to press the start and stop button to sew, and it'll automatically stop when it reaches the end of the stitches. As you can hopefully make out, it sewed cliffs on the fabric.